Hi, I'm Bill with KempWindows.com, and I have one goal today, and that is to show you how to determine the style of your windows and how to actually count your windows that are in your home so that you can input that information into our website and figure out your price instantly. Before we go outside, I want to talk to you about the most common style of windows that you probably have in your home, which is called the double hung. The reason this is called the double hung is because the bottom sash slides up and down, and the top sash slides up and down or opens. Now, everyone loves this feature when it comes to replacement windows, and that's the ability for you to be able to tilt your windows in to do all the cleaning from the inside of your home. When it comes to safety and security, we give you a couple features, such as ventilation clips that allows the window to open just a little ways to give you a little breeze. You can also leave those open in conjunction with your lock to give you double security is there as well. All of the double hung windows come with either one lock in the center or two locks here. If your windows are wider than 30 inches, you'd have a lock here and a lock here, okay? Now, on the outside of the window, we give you this beautiful European bevel cut design with heat fusion welded corners. Also, it comes standard with a half screen. Full screens are available upon request, but it comes standard with a half screen. Now, let's take a look outside. And before I take you outside, I need you to grab two things: a paper and pen, and I'll show you from there how to count your windows and determine the style of your windows and put them into the calculator on our website and have your price instantly. Thank you. Okay, so we're on the outside of the home, and the first window we have here is called a double hung window. Remember, the bottom goes up and down and the top goes up and down. And then you can also see that this particular double hung has two locks on it, okay? Over here, we have three windows that have not been done yet. We have a double hung, a picture window in the middle. The picture window, as you see, is just a solid frame, wood frame with glass in the center. It does not move. Then we have another double hung and another double hung. So if we're going to count the windows in this home, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 double hungs and 1 picture window. So on your piece of paper, you will simply write down 4 double hung and 1 picture window for the front. Okay, now we're on the left side of the home, and as you can see, we have 2 windows on the left. We have 1 here and 1 here. These are actually called 2 light sliders. Let me show you real quick a little bit about the 2 light slider. First of all, the 2 light slider, you're gonna have a lock here and a lock here on the inside. These windows here, the whole panel slides this way and the whole panel slides this way. You notice you have a half screen, so that when you open this side, you'll simply be able to get a little breeze in, obviously, and protect you from the outside elements, okay? So, for the left side of the home, we have two light sliders, okay? Let's take a look at the back, and we'll be ready to move on to the right and get a full count. Okay, we're on the back of the home, and on the back here, we have 1, 2, 3 double hungs and 1 2 light slider. So for the back, we would have 3 double hung and 1 2 light slider. Okay, ready to move on to the final side, and we'll have a full count. Okay, so we're on the final side, which is the right side of the home, and as you can see, we have 1 2 double hungs. So we'll simply fill that in as 2 double hungs. Now we're ready to get a full count of windows for this home that you would simply go back to the website and input into the calculator. So we'd have 1 picture window in this home, 9 double hungs, and 3 2 light sliders. You're ready to get your price. A couple final benefits with dealing with KempWindows.com. You, the homeowner, does not need to know how to measure your windows. Simply leave that to us. Once you input your information into the calculator and hit continue, we will schedule with you to come out and do the measure for you, okay? A couple other benefits. As you can see, this window here has not been done, and this is what we call an exterior wood casing. Now, when you have your windows replaced with KempWindows.com, we will cover this wood exterior casing with maintenance-free aluminum trim to make sure that you don't have to worry about painting or that wood deteriorating any longer. And we'll take a quick look at one that's been wrapped. Okay, so here you can see that the exterior casing has been wrapped with aluminum. This exterior of this window is now completely maintenance free. With the all vinyl window, you have a completely maintenance free exterior.